Yes, PASAC 101 mentorship program is for young accountants. PASAC 102 mentorship program is also for young accountants. My name is Ojo Isaac. I am the manager of Presther Royal Concept. Presther Royal Concept is an accounting software company located here in Ikeja, Lagos, Nigeria. From next month, on the 1st of July 2023, Presther Royal Concept will start to organize mentorship program for young accountants, young professionals like bankers, those who graduated with banking and finance, with finance option, also for economics and business courses in Nigeria or outside the country. We are calling you to enroll for this program because it will enhance your professional duties and responsibility when you start to practice. This program is organized in order to raise your own intelligence quotient, in order to raise your own professional ideas and knowledge for about 6 months, and also for 3 months, and for 12 months, depending on the one that you want to register for. However, 3 months program is for those people who are already practicing and they know what is about accounting a little. Then 6 months, those young graduates who just graduated like NYSC and want to form a career in accounting, they come here for lecturing, for training, and for tutoring. Then for 12 months, you also need this training in order for you to know the nitty-gritty of accounting, to know how to set up an accounting system for an organization. If you spend 12 months with us, before you go, you'll be able to set up an accounting system on your own without supervision and be able to post primary documents from books of original entry to final accounts. These are the things you are going to get from it. Click on the link below in order to have more ideas about what we are talking about. Thank you.